In this video, I will show you how to take out summary on Otter AI. To record your meeting, click on Record. Now, if we're having conversation with someone else, Otter AI would also pick up their voice and attempt to transcribe it. In fact, Otter AI can record many people in a single conversation, allowing you to set speakers and timestamps for recorded information. Imagine running Otter AI in the background while attending a history course. You could get the entire transcript of the course in your notes within Otter AI. Otter refers to these individual recordings as conversations. For now, I am going to select Stop Recording. Once the recording is already stopped, Otter AI will store your recorded meeting notes. Otter AI can also summarize it or transcript it. It depends on how long the meeting. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!